Welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. As well as my friends over at Yarnspirations.com. This is an older pattern. This is a Patons pattern from many years ago. The pattern has been retired, but I am reviving it just with writing it. It still remains a Yarnspirations pattern. Just so you know that you can do multiple colors like you see. I just don't think this looks pretty cool. I like it as a solid color. You can decide what you would like to do. This is an applique flower. You can sew it to anything that you wish. You can do wreaths, hats, you can sew it to your pant bottoms, whatever you would like to do. And that's what we're gonna get started. You're looking at 2 rounds today, just the beginning round and also then the finishing one like this. And it's actually related to the small one. So here is the difference of the sizing. So you can see that you can mix and match these particular flowers. So let's begin to do this one here. You'll need a F as in Frank hook. That's a 3.75 millimeter, and I will be using Patons Grace today on camera. Let's begin, and we are going to start off with a slip knot onto the hook, and you are going to chain a total of 8. So starting and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and I want you to slip stitch it to the beginning chain to form the center ring, and just leave this straggler so that it's wrapped around the ring so that it gets stuck into the middle of the flower. Let's begin officially round number 1. Let's do round number 1. You're going to chain 3, which will count as a double crochet, and in the center of the ring I want you to double crochet again. There's technically 3 double crochets in a row, but you'll finish the 3rd one when you come back around. I need you now to chain 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and into the center of the ring 3 double crochets in a row. So we have 1, 2 and 3. So this here chain 6 is considered a petal. So you'll do that again. So chain 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then 3 double crochets. And I want you to do this concept all the way around until you get to that 6th petal, and I will see you. Make sure that you chain your 6 for the final petal and just meet me at that point, and I'll see you there in just a moment. So I'm coming all the way around. This is the final chain 6. So you can see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 6th petal, and you are going to double crochet then into the ring just one time, because the other 2 are already sitting there because we did those right at the beginning, and I need you to slip stitch then to the top of the chain 3. And then we're officially then going to begin the 2nd round, and let's begin to do that next. Okay, let's begin to do the next round. So you're just going to slip into the next double crochet and then slip into the chain 6 space, and then that's where you're going to begin. So this time we're going to then chain up 1, and we'll do 1 single crochet into the first loop, and then you're going to do 1/2, and then in the same loop you're going to do 7 double crochets. So let's count those. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Once the 7 are in, you're going to half double crochet and single crochet all into the same loop. So it's 1 single, 1/2, 7 doubles, 1/2 and a single, and that's in each petal. Once you have this done, you're going to chain up 1, and you're going to go to the middle double crochet of the grouping of 3 and slip stitch, and that'll hold that into position. Then you'll start another petal. So chain 1 before you begin and come right to the chain 6 space. So you'll do 1 single, 1/2, 7 doubles. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And then you are going to then 1/2, 1 single, chain 1, come to the middle group of the 3, slip stitch, and begin that all again. So please do that all the way around. I'll see you at the end of this round. So once you come all the way back around, you just did the final petal. You're going to chain 1, you'll slip stitch it to the middle one of the group, and then you'll chain 1 and then slip stitch it to the beginning single crochet that you started with way over here, and then that'll be it. And you want to just pull through. I accidentally finished this flower without actually filming it because I was so excited about it. So I want to just take this through a tapestry needle, turn it to the back side, and if you want to sew this to something you can probably use the same color just to make sure that it blends really well. And you want to just glide the straggler through the back 3 times. And then you can safely cut it. And the beginning one, if you did go over the straggler like you were supposed to, you can safely cut that out too. And if you didn't, then just use a tapestry needle, and that's what this larger flower would look like. Have a good one. We hope to see you again real soon. Bye bye.